In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to dark mode in Monday.com. If you're someone who spends a lot of time in front of a screen, you might find that switching to dark mode can ease the strain on your eyes, especially during late night work sessions. Let's walk through this simple process to enable dark mode and improve your working experience on Monday.com. First, you'll want to navigate to your Monday.com homepage. Open up your favorite web browser and type in the URL for Monday.com. Once you're on the website, log into your account with your usual credentials. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the homepage, which is your central hub for accessing all features and projects you're working on. Next up, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon, which typically looks like a small circle featuring your initials or profile picture. This is your access point to personal settings and preferences. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu provides various options related to your account, such as profile settings and notifications. From this drop-down menu, look for an option labeled Change Theme. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to alter the visual aesthetics of your interface according to your preferences. Click on Change Theme and a new set of options will neatly appear before you, providing various choices. Among these options, you will notice one labeled Dark. Selecting Dark will switch your interface from its current theme to the soothing, eye-friendly dark mode. Simply click on Dark and you'll observe your screen transition. The background will shift to a darker color scheme, while the text remains clear and legible. This feature is especially beneficial for reducing glare and helping you focus, particularly in low-light environments. And there you have it. Your Monday.com is now set to dark mode. This setting will remain active the next time you log in, ensuring a comfortable visual experience every time you use the platform. If you ever decide to revert back to the default theme or explore other theme options, you can always revisit this process and make the change through your profile settings. Remember, switching to dark mode isn't just about aesthetics. It's also about creating a more comfortable digital work environment tailored to your needs. I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy the new look and feel of your Monday.com workspace and keep your eyes comfortable and happy while you tackle your tasks. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips like this.